Hello, welcome back to my Autodesk robot tutorial. To continue the previous video, we will add beam in this video. So you click beam. Okay, you can do your beam setting here. Your material of your beam, you can choose RC30. Sorry, C30. You can label it whether you want to. So the dimension of the beam you can I will set as 250 and H will be 350, sorry. Then click add, then close the dialog box. So the section of your beam that you set just now will be displayed here. Okay, so the beginning point you choose so let's say from here to here. Okay, just like that. So the beginning point you like your beam will connect from here to here. Beginning point you click here, end point will be here. Okay, so but let's say if you have many beam to connect, you don't have to click one by one like that. You can click on drag. Okay, so at the beginning point you can click here, then here. So we will continue like this. Okay, like this. Sorry. Okay, you don't have to click from here to here, then from here to here, then from there to here. Okay. By clicking this drag, you can just simply click. It will connect automatically. Okay, so okay, so next I'll show you how to add walls. Okay, the thickness of the wall, you can do a setting here. Okay, the label of the thickness. Okay, let's say I'll set it is 175. Okay, label as TH175. Okay, then okay, you click material, put the C30, same as your the beam and columns. Click add. Okay, then your thickness of your wall will show here. Okay, so we'll close the dialog box first. So at the beginning point, okay, let's say I'll end it here. Okay, before that, height of your wall, you must set it as the same height as your column and your stories. Okay, so the beginning point from here to here. Okay, then to here, and here. Then click add. Oh, sorry, close. This. Okay, go to 3D view. You see the column is like the wall is like this. Okay. Okay, after you add your walls, you can go to a view, 3D view. You can see the column is connecting with the wall. So if you want to delete the columns, you can go to plan view, then select, then go back to 3D view, Then at here bar selection, you can click panels none. So you select your columns and the beam that connecting here. So in this case I'll just delete the beams. It's just extra things. Then click delete. So it will show you that do you want to delete the bar as well. So yes, delete all adjoining bars and apply. Okay, that will be how it look like. So okay, after adding the walls, let me show you how you going to construct your slab, or your floor. So click floor here. The thickness of the floor, you can do selection. Let's say 150. Then here you select let's say back slab. Okay, or you can do your selection, your setting here. Okay, I'm not going to do this. So just select a deck slab. And definition method, you can choose either you want to do a contour or rectangular. For me, I'll do a rectangular. Okay, let's go to the plan view. Okay, let's say I want to construct a slab for this whole structure. So starting from here, this is point 1, so second point, and a third point here. Okay, your slab is constructed here. Sorry, you should every time after you add the structure element, don't press this apply, just press close. If you press apply, it will be like this. So remember not to do that. There's my mistake. Let's go to a 3D view. As you can see, here is how your slab look like. Okay, so if you want to do an opening at the wall here, you can you will choose geometry and object and rectangle. So for definition method, you can choose a 3 point to create an opening at the walls here. So first point, second point, and third point. Then close. Okay. This is how your opening will be created. So let's go to a 3D view. So here you can see the opening is created here. Okay, so I think this is all for this video. So I'll continue in the next video. And thank you.